I created these birthday photo shoot images that look exactly like me, and in this video you will learn how to create yours too. Now let's get started. To get inspiration for your photo shoot, you need to check either Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, or Pinterest. I recommend Pinterest because you use it to find lots of great photo shoot ideas. Now, if you come to Pinterest, you can find the app on Play Store or App Store. If you come to Pinterest, when you open the app, this is what you are going to see. The next thing you are going to do is to click here to search for great photo shoot ideas. So I'm just going to click here and then I'm going to search for birthday photo shoot ideas. So I'll just type birthday photo shoot ideas. I am going to click here so it's going to search. So these are the photo shoot ideas that Pinterest gave to us. Now just scroll to the bottom. You are going to see a lot of lovely photo shoot ideas that you can just take and recreate, and you just need just your phone to recreate it. Just pick the particular one you like and then let's do some recreation. Let's assume that this is the one we like, so I'm just going to click on it and then I'm going to click here and I'm going to click on download. After downloading the image you like, just come to your ChatGPT. When you come to your ChatGPT, click on the plus button, click on photos, select the one that you like. We are going to use this. Click on it, click on add, and then paste this prompt. This is the prompt. If you want me to send this exact prompt to you, just comment prompt in the comment section and I'm going to send this exact prompt to you. Now, after pasting this particular prompt, all you just need to do is to click on this place. Now, this prompt, what it just says is to tell ChatGPT to give us a text prompt that we can use to generate this using any face. So I'm just going to click here and ChatGPT is going to generate it for us. Now, after ChatGPT has generated it for us, all we just need to do is to click on this particular place and then we are going to generate this using our face and we are going to use Gemini app. Now, open your Gemini app, then click on the plus sign and then click on your gallery and bring in the image you want to use. Now this is the image I want to use. As you can see, the image is clear. When you want to generate an image using Gemini or any other AI tool and you want it to look exactly like you, please don't use an image that will show your full body. If you use an image that will show your full body, your face will be small and then it will not be able to capture your full face. Again, don't use an image that is blurry. Use something that your face is showing very clear. Then don't use an image that some parts of your hair is covering your face or you are wearing a face cap. Use an image where your face is clear so that it will give you exactly what you want. So I'm just going to pick my image and I'm going to click on add. So I'm just going to paste the prompt that ChatGPT gave us. I'm just going to paste the prompt here. Again, if you want this exact prompt to be sent to you, just comment prompt in the comment section and I'm going to send this prompt. I'm going to send the first prompt to you. Now, I'm going to send the two prompts to you. So after putting your prompt, just click here and then wait for it to be generated. So this is it. It has been generated for us. The next thing you just do after it has been generated is to click here and download your image. Now, the process that we use, you can use it to generate other images. You see these images, I used the process to generate these images. I just got inspiration from other persons And then I took it to my ChatGPT. I told ChatGPT to give me the prompts that I can use to generate this exact image using my face. And ChatGPT gave it to me. So let's say you see any photo shoot, any picture that you like, just follow this same exact process and you will be able to recreate that for yourself without going to the studio. If you got value from this video, don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel and don't forget to turn on your notification bell so that whenever I drop a new video, you'll be among the first set of persons that will be notified that a new video has been dropped. Do this quickly so that you will not miss out on any other video I will be dropping, because I'll be dropping more and more interesting videos like this. Bye for now and see you next time.